This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with Essentials. Update iPhone 16 Pro and confirm it's unlocked, because activation often requires the latest profiles and carrier trust. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular to start. Make sure you have the carrier QR code or activation code handy or the carrier app installed. These deliver the Esim profile. Keep Wi-Fi or existing cellular enabled so the phone can fetch the Esim. Don't open the SIM tray. Esim. Now you install the profile. Tap Add Esim and choose your method. Use QR code, carrier app, or enter details manually. If scanning, point the camera at the QR and wait for a profile prompt. If using the app, follow carrier steps until the phone shows an activation bar. Once added, you will see the Esim listed. Label it so you can tell lines apart. You'll also pick defaults for voice, data, and iMessage. Make sure settings reflect how you intend to use each line. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure the Esim registers with the carrier network. Then verify signal bars, carrier name, and place a test call or use data. Once activated, manage lines under cellular, switch data, enable roaming, or set a default voice line. If something goes wrong, a consistent troubleshooting step is to remove the Esim profile and re-add it. Rescan the QR or use the carrier app. And if activation still fails, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.